a stamp, a towel.
Breakfast, lunch, dinner,
supper.
Give me the menu.
Give me the menu,
Please.
please.
Give me the menu, please.
Give me the menu, please.
bring me some bread,
Bring me some
some
bread,
and butter, some soup, some meat,
some milk,
some fish,
some fish,
some eggs,
some eggs,
boiled eggs,
boiled eggs,
fried eggs,
Some vegetables.
some vegetables,
Some peas.
some peas,
Some beans.
some beans,
Some potatoes.
some potatoes,
Some water.
some water,
Some beer.
some beer,
Some coffee.
some coffee,
Some milk.
some milk,
some sugar,
some sugar,
some pepper,
some pepper,
some salt.
some salt.
Bring me a cup of tea.
Bring me a cup of
Bring
tea.
a spoon, fork, a knife.
Bring us a bottle of wine.
Bring us a bottle of
A
wine.
bottle of white wine.
A bottle of white wine.
A bottle of red wine.
A bottle of red wine.
Some mineral water.
Some mineral water.
Some fruit.
Some grapes, an apple,
An apple.
a pear, an orange,
An orange.
some cake.
The bill, please.
I'm busy. You're angry.
You are angry.
He's away.
He's away.
She's ready. It's easy.
It's easy.
We're sorry.
We are sorry.
They're here.
Am I late?
Am I late?
Are you tired?
Are you tired?
Is he there?
Is he there?
Is she happy?
Is she happy?
Is it difficult?
Is it difficult?
Are we in your way?
Are we in our way?
Are you brothers?
Are you brothers?
Are they sisters?
Are there sisters?
I'm not in the garden.
I'm not in the garden.
You're not in the room.
We're not in the room.
He's not in the house.
He's not in the house.
She's not in the park.
She's not in the car.
It's not in the car.
He's not in the car.
We're not in London.
We are not in London.
You're not in Paris.
You are not in Paris.
They're not in Brussels.
They are not in Brussels.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
You're right.
You're right.
He's wrong.
He's wrong.
She's 20 years old.
She's 20 years old.
We're cold.
We are cold.
You're afraid.
You're afraid.
They're thirsty.
They are thirsty.
It's early.
It's early.
It's 1 o'clock.
It's 1 o'clock.
Little.
It's a pity.
It's late.
It's late.
It's too late.
It's too late.
I've the money. You've the tickets. He has an old car.
He has an old car.
She has a new hat.
She has a new hat.
We've a boat.
We are both.
You've my address. Save the parcel.